Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And in this channel we post tutorial videos like this. So to get notified for more tutorial videos, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your AOL Mail account. So basically AOL Mail is a free web-based email service provided by AOL company, a division of Verizon Communication. So it's a USA's company. If you guys want to know more, you can visit their Wikipedia, but let's get into the step. So to log in into it, you want to go to your Google Chrome or any search engine you want, and you want to search for AOL Mail. You want to search for it. After you search for it, you want to click on the first link where it says AOL Mail. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, you want to enter your username, email, or your mobile number, whichever thing you use when you created your AOL Mail. So let me enter my username, and yeah, click on next after that. After that, you need to enter the password of your AOL Mail. And after entering the password, you can click on next. And then if your username and your password is correct, you will be successfully able to log in into your account. But let's say you aren't, then basically your password or your username is incorrect. So make sure that both of them are correct and click on next and you should be able to log in into your account. So let me log in into my account real quick. And yeah, if you forget your password, you can just click on forgot password and reset your password as well. And as you guys can see, I have logged in into my AOL account. It's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.